So remember to catch my earlier video if you love unboxing videos. Okay, here, let's unbox this back together. It is a very special leather. If you notice, it's brown, but it is not just any leather. This one is actually the Barenia leather, and it smells so good. You know, Barenia leather, it is really soft, and at the same time it has this sweet scent. This mini Evelyn Barenia comes with a strap, and depending on how you match your outfit, you can easily use this strap and strap over your body. Very versatile bag. Look at the color. And it comes with a palladium hardware over here, and the inside, it is pretty roomy. Take a look at that. Oh my god, I love the smell. You can easily fit in your iPhone, you can easily fit in your card holder, and some cosmetics. So I'm really excited to use the Barenia leather. Look at the grains. So how you tell the Barenia from a normal leather that is coated with brown color is that you will see grains on the side. You see? Take a look at this. It is going to have grains over, and it is all part of the natural leather. From here, you can probably see some grainings at the side over here. There's a little bit of like wrinkle color. The most obvious one is over here. Yep. Very excited to use this one. This is going to be my second Barenia leather. So if you have not caught my earlier video, I have a Barenia Birkin size 25 in the dark brown color. So you should probably catch that. Okay, talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.